She has been apprehended and arrested by Haryana police in connection with some relationship with a neighboring country.
मेरे को तो बता कर जाते हैं, मेरे को तो इतना बता कर जाते हैं, मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ, मैं और कुछ नहीं बता के जा रहा हूँ।
बाहर भी जाती थी ना ये?
बाहर जाती थी, मेरे को तो नहीं बता के जा करते। आगे मैंने क्या मांग करनी है जी, जो होगा होगा।
Jyoti Malhotra, also known as Jyoti Rani, a 33-year-old YouTuber from Haryana, was arrested under one of India's most stringent national security law, that is the Official Secret Act of 1923. But what is this law and how do India's espionage laws compare with those around the world? Let's decode. According to reports, Jyoti Malhotra was in contact with an official from Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi. The YouTuber was also spotted at Atari Wagah border and even inside Pakistan, raising serious red flags for Indian agencies. Authorities claim she was passing on sensitive information to Pakistani handlers during Operation Sindoor. Jyoti has been charged under Section 3 and Section 5 of the Official Secrets Act 1923 and Section 152 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. But what is this Official Secrets Act? The Official Secrets Act is a colonial-era law enacted in 1923 originally to protect British imperial interests. But even today, it remains one of India's most powerful law to deal with espionage and leaks of classified information.
हिसार डेफिनेटली एक स्ट्रेटेजिक लोकेशन है और यहाँ पे टच में रहना PIOs ये बिल्कुल खतरे की घंटी बजने वाली है। और जैसा मैंने बताया कि कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो शेयर किया हो, छोटी या बड़ी ड्यूरिंग द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, मतलब उनको छोटी लगती हो या हमें छोटी लगती हो, बट एक्चुअली होता नहीं है। तो सभी एंगल से इसकी हम जांच कर रहे हैं और जैसे मैंने बताया कि और भी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स टच में थे जो इनके PIOs के साथ। और फिर इसने जैसे पाकिस्तान विजिट करके कुछ हाई प्रोफाइल लोगों से मुलाकात भी हुई है इसकी। तो क्यों मुलाकात हुई, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर किया, तो सारी चीज़ें पूछताछ चल रही है।
Under this act, sharing or even possessing government documents or information that could affect national security can land you in serious trouble. This includes codes, passwords, maps, sketches, or even plans related to the country's defense and security. It doesn't matter if you are a civilian or a government employee. If you are found guilty under this law, you could face imprisonment up to 3 years to life, depending upon the severity of the crime. Well, here's what Jyoti's father has to say on the matter.
मेरे को तो क्या के जा करते, दिल्ली जा रही हूँ।
दिल्ली जा रही है? तो जैसे वो बता रहे हैं ऐसे कि वो वहाँ कश्मीर में भी गई थी वीडियो बनाने, पाकिस्तान में भी 2-3 बार गई थी, करतारपुर साहिब वगैरह।
नहीं, मेरे को तो बता कर जा करते, मेरे को तो इतना बता कर जा करते, मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ, मैं और कुछ नहीं बता के जा रहा हूँ।
तो जैसे उसकी कोई फ्रेंड भी थी जो कभी आती थी घर पे यहाँ?
मेरे को तो इतना बता कर जा करते, मैं दिल्ली जा रही हूँ, मैं और कुछ नहीं बता के जा रहा हूँ।
Now, in Jyoti Malhotra's case, investigators alleged that she was actively involved in communicating with Pakistani intelligence operatives and was even instructed to create content that shows Pakistan in a positive light, a serious national security concern.
Jyoti Malhotra was an Pakistani agent who was supplying information to the Pakistanis about sensitive installations of ours, and she has been caught. Pakistan requires timely information about our various installations, weapon systems, personalities, what exactly operational plans that we have, and for that they use agents, and Jyoti was one of them who used to go to Pakistan regularly. So by catching them, we have eliminated a person who was giving intelligence to Pakistan. However, this battle between agents and us will continue, and we have to ensure that all suspected people are kept under observation. Also, their mobiles / electronic communications is spied upon, so that any such agents, before they become a big loss for the country, are able to be neutralized by our security agencies. So all in all, catching of Jyoti Malhotra is a good news, and we must catch all other agents who are operating on behalf of Pakistan and China in India.
Indian espionage law compared to US and UK. Under the UK's national security laws, disclosing trade secrets or assisting a foreign intelligence service, including sharing data, access, service or financial benefits, is punishable with up to 14 years in prison. The law applies globally if a UK interest is involved. While in the USA, during wartime, anyone who deliberately spreads false information to undermine US military operations, aid enemies, incite disloyalty among troops, or obstruct recruitment can face up to $10,000 in fines, 20 years in prison, or both. Well, Jyoti Malhotra is currently being interrogated by the National Investigation Agency, the Intelligence Bureau, and military intelligence officials. Investigators are probing her travel history, particularly her visits to Pakistan and China, as well as her financial spendings, because it doesn't match up with her known source of incomes.
जैसे शी विजिटेड पाकिस्तान, तो वो भी काइंड ऑफ स्पॉन्सर्ड ट्रिप ही था। तो ये सब मुझे लगता है कि इजी एक्सेस टू मनी इस सब के कारण विजिट करना, इसमें आप देखेंगे सोशल मीडिया पे वीडियोस वगैरह भी है जहाँ पे शी इज़ रिक्वेस्टिंग कि मुझे चाइना जाना है, वीज़ा हमें दे दो, इस टाइप की चीज़ें। तो ये सब बताया कि लोगों को पता नहीं होता कि कब वो किस गलत राह पे चल पड़ते हैं, क्या उसका असल एम क्या है, उसका भी प्रोफेशन क्या है, और लोग कैसे उनको मिसयूज़ कर रहे हैं। और पढ़े लिखे होने के बावजूद भी अगर आप ऐसे, खास करके जब जो कंट्री है वो वॉर लाइक सिचुएशन में है, तो आप इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करेंगे तो कोई छोटी आपको इन्फॉर्मल लग रही हो या छोटी इन्फॉर्मेशन लग रही हो, बट सामने वाले की बहुत मेजर इन्फॉर्मेशन हो।
Authorities are also conducting a forensic analysis of her devices and questioning her contacts, aiming to map a broader espionage network operating across North India. Jyoti is among a dozen people arrested in recent weeks under the Official Secrets Act and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita in connection with this alleged spy ring. While Jyoti's social media tells a different story of wanderlust and travel, authorities believe there is something far more dangerous happening behind the lens. Well, investigation is going on and we'll be tracking every update for you. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching DNA.